individual miners who have come together to create their own nodes, because there's a node right here on the testnet that my global community, we came together, to create our own node to see how a full node is going to function on the Satoshi ecosystem. So the global leaders, the moderator, and the miners. So we had to make some contributions, to see how we can, create a node and see the functionality right inside the nodes. So I'll be discussing about that, and there are also criteria if you want to become a validator. Being a validator is not something that is not something that there's an option of who is going to be a validator and who is not going to be a validator. So it's something that everybody has an equal right, as long as you own a token or a coin of a particular project network. You have every right. You are in the position. You are in the position to to create to be a validator. So if you see right at the right hand here where you have register. So I'll also be walking you through how you can, let's say let's see what's going on here when you hit on this register button. So when you hit on this register button, this information is gonna pop up, and what this means: consensus address, fee address, and commission, then and total deposit. So in order for you to become a validator on the Satoshi ecosystem, currently on the testnet, the least coin you can the least coin you can use is around 10,000. So before you can be a validator, you have to deposit the sum of 10,000. And you're also gonna have 2,000 core on your margin as reserve. But for you to be registered as a full-time validator on the Satoshi ecosystem, so you've got to deposit a sum of 10,000 core and 2,000 for your margin. So here you can see we have consensus address, we have fee address, and we have commission. So I know a lot of people may wonder what is it all about, the consensus address and what's fee address. So you who choose to be a validator, getting your consensus address is not a big deal. What consensus address simply mean? It could be your core address right here on MetaMask. So let me just go back. You can just okay. Let me return back to my wallet. So